Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about something super important: how to make the best resume as a fresher. Whether you're applying for your first job or looking to improve your resume, this video is for you. Let's get started. The first step is understanding the basics. Your resume is a reflection of your skills, education, and any relevant experience you have. For freshers, it's important to focus on education, skills, and any internships or projects you've worked on. Start by including your personal information: full name, contact number, email address, and location. Make sure everything is up to date so that employers can easily reach you. Next, write a strong objective statement. This is a brief paragraph that tells employers why you're applying and what you aim to achieve. Keep it clear, concise, and relevant to the job. For freshers, your education section will play a huge role. List your degrees, certifications, and any relevant courses you've taken. Also, make sure to highlight any technical or soft skills you have. Things like communication, problem solving, Microsoft Office, or coding languages. If you have any internships, projects, or volunteer work, be sure to include them in your resume. Even if they're not full time jobs, these experiences showcase your willingness to learn and gain real world exposure. Your resume should be neat, clean, and easy to read. Use bullet points, clear headings, and a simple font. Employers don't have time to go through a cluttered resume, so keep it simple and professional. Before you submit your resume, always proofread it for any spelling or grammatical errors. A small mistake could hurt your chances, so make sure it's error free. And that's it. Those are the essential steps to make an amazing resume as a fresher. If you follow these tips, you'll create a resume that stands out and gets noticed. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Good luck with your job search. Don't forget to check out my other videos on job tips, career advice, and more. See you next time.